Hey everybody, welcome to another video on my project XGUI. In this video we're going to go over creating an inspector window. It's a lot like creating an editor window. It's going to be real quick and easy, so we'll jump right into that right now. You go up to Windows, you go to XGUI, you go to the launcher, and click on inspector window, give it a name. We got to give it a style. It's important for editor windows and inspector windows you don't select the game skin. Select something that has all the styles in it. Game skin is for runtime, so it does not have editor styles in it. We'll go ahead and select the XGUI skin. And the next part is to select the type that the inspector is going to be for. You can't actually type in this window. I should probably change that to a label. It's just for display. You click the set button over here and it's used reflection to find all the possible types that you can potentially create an inspector for in Unity. So we'll go over here and we have a lot of GUI skins in this project obviously, so we'll create one for a GUI skin and we hit create, and that's it. There's our editor for our inspector window. You can start adding components and whatever else you want. It is important to note that it's not in an actual inspector window in the editor. It's over here in a preview window, and you have this target area. And what this does is it lets you select the item you want to be the target for the inspector during this editor process, so that you're not worried about the inspector over here bouncing around or what you're clicking on, because you might be clicking on images, this, that, and the other, and it'll mess it up. So it does it like this, so you can go ahead and just target what you want to work on and then start building your layout. So that's how you create an inspector window. Hope you guys like it. Have a nice day.